take a trip.
Yeah. 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 It's when I pull up upon your crib. Meeting gang with no name. When your name pops up.
Vincent Vulture, Docker's Dog, Alberto Antelope, Rachel Rabbit, Yvonne.
All these Qatari Jones are me. Bodies after bodies. I need peace in mind, so back and then my show me. Body after body. I'm a lose screw. Man, in my trouble, who's who? Push your boys blinky, what you gon' do? Down, why gon' put you in the roof? I'm a right guy, so my try I be cool. I'm a bad guy, so I'm always in the news. Stacking that crap, my only boo. If you know me, brainstorming the money, my top. Don't just count me out. Please, cafe to when you don't know, Ruben Swag is the king of the tone. Just give me my
Yeah, that's my ride, you know. That's my ride. You listen. Better go live on this. Go baby on me.
When I pull up upon your crib, meeting gang with no name. When your name pops upon.
We're about to go in live, Charlie. See you at the waterfall.
Meeting gang with no name. When your name pops upon.
So we just started a bike hike. We're going all the way, Charlie. But focus on the riding, though, you know. Focus. We move. Yeah, let's adventure, Charlie. I'm already sweating.
Never go do you wrong, bro. Why you dey do me long? Give me chance, make I dey prove you wrong, bro.
Charlie, one hand. And now you be the tall guy, though.
Don't care what my friends telling me. Lady, we could just come, but let me feel they cannot be another me.
Yeah, we move.
Baby, you know they can be another me. SOS, you wrong, bro. Never go do this, make I dey prove you wrong. You know, say I never go do you wrong, bro. She figure say now they play am.
Hey, man like Alberto. You make a remove, Charlie, remove.
I'm close to my body.
Obosomase. Yeah, you know Obosomase. Beautiful. Simply beautiful. About to head to the waterfall. I think that's Adum Waterfall, Charlie. The view.
Had to leave our bikes so we could hike to the waterfall. It was actually interesting and I couldn't wait to get to the waterfall because I was tired from riding the bike from Aburi to Obosomase.
Getting all the way to the waterfall. Apparently we can use the bike. Wow, dear. Wow. I'm even. Like, this on the steady feet, oh. Steady feet. Let's go. Going all the way to the waterfall. It's on the I don't know, we are descending into hell's depth, so we're going to see nature's gushing out.
Water hose, spray it, water hose. Like a go me.
We made it, bro, we made it. Follow who no road, eh? It's a follow who no road. Charlie, we are going to see the waterfall, and I took this trip with MoooveAfrica, organized by Fish. So yeah, let's try and see how we could get to enjoy ourselves. Much love. This sense is crazy, man. Almost at the waterfall. Can you all see it? All the way, Charlie. We wrap it. I swear. We made it. Oh, this is a blessing. My bro. We did it. That was amazing. Serious muzzle pool, but we still rode all the way, Charlie. We did it. All the way in Aburi, went for a bike ride, went to the waterfall, Adom Waterfall, just finished eating, I'm about to have a massage because I deserve it. Feel good, you know. Oh. So relaxed. Okay. Charlie. Massage there. Fazendo lá com a caveira. That's good.